Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really to throw you out.
She's here. So I am about to go to the gym. It's almost 5. So I'm about to go to the gym, and when I come back, we're gonna set this baby up. I'm so glad to be getting rid of my old desk. I'm sitting at that desk, it doesn't move. It's just, I think I need a new space. I think I need a new space. It's gonna make me feel a lot better. So yeah, when we come back from the gym, we're gonna set this up. I'm actually gonna try my camera while I'm at the gym. And then I also got something else from Walmart. But we'll unpackage everything when when your girl get back. I look a mess. I look bald headed. But yeah, we'll come back, or we'll unpackage it and put it together when I get back from the gym. Okay, y'all. So it is a lot later. It is 9 o'clock. Yeah, 9:14. I did my hair. I'm not gonna show you. I just did like some little twist, natural twist. Yeah, it's 9:15. I am about to set up my desk. I'm currently watching Jocelyn's Cabaret. I guess. Like, I don't know. I haven't really just been too into these shows, zoo shows, because the ones is getting on my nerves. But yeah, I'm gonna set my camera up, and I'm gonna let y'all watch me set up this desk.
Hey, 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 hey. No, 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 no. I miss you. Off to college, it's you in a way. Straight from high school, you up and left me. We were close friends, awesome lovers. Did everything for one another. Now you're gone and I'm lost without you here now. But I know I gotta live and make it somehow. Come back to me. Can you feel me? Hear me calling for you? 'Cause still mine. I wanna buy some time. Now I'm sitting here thinking about you and the days we used to share. It's driving me crazy. I don't know what to do. I'm just wondering if you.
Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna come back. Let me figure this out because the instructions aren't that clear. Let me at least get it started, and then we'll come back to put it together. Then I'm gonna come back and put it together. Okay, with you.
Still care. I don't wanna let you know that it's killing me. I know you got another life, you gotta concentrate, baby. Come back to me. Can you feel me? Hear me calling for you? 'Cause what take you, baby? What am I gonna do? I've been needing you on you. Either your heart still mine. Yeah. I miss you.
tonight to eat. But I do have a lot done. Yeah, but we got a lot done. I think I really just have to, I just screwed on the manual little adjuster. Yeah, I just screwed that on, so I only think I got a couple more steps left.
Yeah, I have to read this in order. I'm
trying to turn it down, but I only got a couple more steps left until I am finished. So I'm gonna eat my food, and then when we come back, we're gonna finish it up. And I'm gonna show y'all the setup. I'm gonna move my old computer and stuff. I'm gonna really have everything set up for tomorrow.
That's when I was a change church.
Whatever. But yeah, when I come back, when I'm done eating, I will be back and I'll finish up the desk.
I done bought the coupe. I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came from rest, the riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause with Lola, bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped everyone in the list, cause I'm supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Ask me how to do it, kicking shit right you can. Put it in a cab, send it to a Arab. Hit him with the mat now, last whole body scale. Cash on delivery, hey, go pop of the century. Oh, no time for gibberish. All the critics hearing this, all the bitches lipstick, and a pussy slippery. I can call a troop, go by the name of Duke. Can't never take a roots. I can send them moves. Niggas on the chain, but they ain't worried fool. I'ma keep on spinning till they tell me who. Ooh, ooh, dynasty boo boo. Ooh, ooh, I done fought the coupe. Ooh, ooh, I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came from rest, the riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause with Lola, bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped everyone in the list, cause I'm supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. I don't gotta throw you shit.
Okay, so we got the desk set up. It took me about like an hour, maybe two, honestly. I'm gonna open up this other package. This is a headset, it's a wireless headset that I bought. I think it has to be charged, so I'm gonna try to charge it tonight. It's pink. I plan on getting me a new chair, desk chair. Yeah, I plan on getting me a new desk chair. That's probably gonna be pink as this. Don't piss me off. That's probably gonna be pink as well. I just kind of, you know, like I said, I want to decorate my space. I feel like me having a new space is gonna make me feel a lot better. I honestly feel like standing up working is gonna make me feel 10 times better. Cause that's what I do when I'm in the office, when I'm irritated with. I just kind of need something different. I stand up. So here's the headset. Okay, package. Okay, she's cute, right? Okay, period. Thank you for calling. My name is Lay. May I ask who I'm speaking with? So yeah, this is the charging port. How do I turn it on? And I wonder how. Okay, I see. So it comes with this. Let me turn my TV down. Hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all. So yes, here's the new desk. I can't really show y'all my screens because it says the company name, but here is the desk. She's cute. She is cute. That is definitely going to be the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't checked out my newest short, make sure you do that. And if you haven't followed your girl on TikTok, link is down in the description box. But I will catch you, sister girls, in the next video. And bye.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not